how to post a question in the Arabic Android Help Forum. So if you want to post a question in the Arabic Android Help Forum, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Google and search for Android Help Forum and go with the first link, which is the Android Community session, and you'll get this kind of interface, which is Welcome to the Android Help Community. Now here you just need simply scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of post a question, tap on it, and write a summary of the problem that you're facing. For example, a mobile security issue. Then write more details or explain the problem that you're facing and what you've tried. Do not include any private or confidential information such as your credit card numbers. After that, select the type of problem under your category and then tap on Next. After writing details about the problem, you need to scroll down to the next, which is check similar content for help and then add more details, confirm, and then post. And in this way, you'll be able to post a question in Arabic Android Help Forum. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.